Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fat to Fitness. This is Sobhagya. In today's video we are making a healthy breakfast recipe. So let's begin with Indian tea. Yeah, many believe it is not good for health, but the ingredients that I'm using will let you know that tea, when made properly, is good for health. So I'm taking some tea leaves. You can take any brand. And then Jaggery powder instead of white sugar. It is the Jaggery powder. Yes, that makes difference. So 1 tablespoon of tea leaves and 1 spoon of Jaggery powder for sweet. Yeah, take one more. So 2 spoons. So this is 2 cups of tea. Let it boil for at least 2 to 3 minutes. And then add milk. So in the tea I have added ginger and elaichi to enhance the flavor. So let it boil for 4-5 minutes. Meanwhile we'll make the breakfast. So I'm taking wheatlets, which is also called as dalia. So take a pan, take at least 1 spoon of oil in which I have added ginger and then half onion, dried chilies. Let it roast for at least 1 to 2 minutes and then add the roasted wheatlets. Yes, here goes the roasted wheatlets. Fry it for another 1 minute until it turns brown, and then you can add, yeah, here you see it has turned brown, and you can add salt to it. I'm not adding any spices. Now you can add hot water to it and then let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes, and that's it. Quick and easy breakfast. And this breakfast is full of complex carbs, and for protein I'm adding gunpowder, not while making it but while eating. I'll show that. Yes, so it is ready, and on top of the upma I have added gunpowder, which is made of chickpea. That's all, a healthy breakfast. Here you go. So friends, please try it out and let me know how it is, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.